Portable jump starters with integrated air compressors have evolved from niche roadside gadgets to versatile, all-in-one emergency power tools. For drivers, fleet operators, and outdoor enthusiasts, these devices combine jumpstart capability, tire inflation, USB charging, and lighting into a compact package that helps avoid tow trucks and roadside delays. Product number 1. Gulu A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Gulu A3 combines a 3000A jump starter with a 150 psi air compressor in a compact 3.58-pound package. It supports engines up to 9.0-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel and adds a 5-mode tire inflator with 35-liter per-minute airflow, plus a 180-month warranty. It doubles as a power bank, LED flashlight, and a myriad of nozzles for bikes, balls, and cars, with a robust BMS delivering multi-layer protections. The device is designed for users who want peak amperage plus flexible inflation in a single unit, with an emphasis on rugged operation across -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Performance-wise, the A3's 3000A peak can jump a wide range of vehicles, and the 150 psi auto shutoff inflator is capable of Tesla Model 3 and Y tires, inflating from 30 to 36 psi in about a minute under ideal conditions. Real-world use will depend on battery state and ambient temperature. The 100-plus charge cycles indicate durable lithium chemistry, but users should monitor battery health in frequent high-demand scenarios. The 5 included nozzles and multi-unit compatibility, bar/PSI/kPa, make it versatile, though the 3.58-pound form factor can be a bit light for users who prefer a heftier grip for leverage during jump starts. Product number 2. We will hold microfiber gym towels, bigger size, super soft for exercise fitness. We will hold offers a larger 15 by 31-inch microfiber towel in a 3-pack, advertised with a 380 GSM weight class, making it notably heftier than typical gym towels. The color trio provides easy differentiation, and the larger surface reduces the likelihood of towel slippage during aggressive workouts. The 380 GSM spec indicates a dense but still lightweight microfiber that aims to balance plush feel with rapid moisture transport. Performance and use case analysis indicates strong absorbency suitable for high sweat sessions, with the claimed ability to absorb multiple times its weight and quick drying behavior reinforced by microfiber structure. The presence of a hanging loop and edge banding design contributes to durability and ease of care across repeated washing cycles. The larger size is a clear advantage for belt loop coverage during circuit training or hot yoga, though some users may prefer a lighter towel for ultralight travel. The price is not listed, which complicates value comparisons, but the set's 3-pack lends attractiveness for households or teams. Product number 3. Jump starter with air compressor 3x faster inflation. Nobiwa's GY49-1 pairs a 300A jump starter, 600A peak, with an air compressor that reaches 150 psi, targeting everyday emergencies and on-the-go tire maintenance. It showcases 0 to 150 psi auto detect, 10-minute inflation for typical 195/60 R15 tires, and safety protections like overcharge or over-discharge, high-temp shutdown, and 100-cycle life cycle. The device emphasizes user-friendly indicators, 4-unit display options, and 30-second auto-off to conserve power. Performance-wise, the 300A nominal current is enough for most small to mid-size cars, with the 600A peak offering a buffer in colder conditions. The 10-minute inflation claim is compelling for small tires, but larger SUV tires may require longer sessions or may push battery temperature. The 50 to 100 cycle battery life claim suggests good durability, but real-world cycles depend on usage patterns. The device's autonomous safety features provide peace of mind, though the lack of explicit battery capacity in milliamp hours makes it harder to compare to other units' endurance. Product number 4. Portable car jump starter with air compressor for emergencies. The Nico Krios CQB1508 is a budget-friendly 3000A peak jump starter with a 150 psi max inflator, 12V operation, and a 12,000 mAh battery. It highlights a compact, lightweight design, 11.2 ounces, and an LCD display for inflation and battery status. It includes 4 inflation modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, and basketball, and 4 nozzles, offering a straightforward, no-frills approach to roadside readiness. Performance-wise, the device targets rapid starts for engines up to 12-liter gas and 10-liter diesel with -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit operability. The 35L per minute inflow supports quick inflation, and the LCD display provides real-time feedback. User experience benefits include a simple interface, clear indicators, and a strong value proposition at sub-$40 pricing. Potential drawbacks include limited 11.2-ounce weight, which could correlate with smaller battery capacity and possibly shorter continuous inflation runs. Accessory quality and long-term durability should be considered given the lighter construction. Product number 5. Jump starter with tire inflator. The YDBDBW SNY C10 stands out as the premium option in this lineup, delivering a 4000A peak jumpstart for engines up to 10-liter gas and 8-liter diesel, along with a 150 psi inflator and a 28,000 mAh battery. It emphasizes a robust feature set: 150 psi, multiple nozzle adapters, a built-in USB power bank, and 24/7 support with a 2-year warranty. The dual-strength 4000A jump capability sets it apart for users with higher power needs or detuned engines. Performance-wise, the 4000A peak is highly capable, delivering reliable starts across a wider array of vehicles, including larger SUVs and trucks. The 150 psi inflator with an integral digital display and 8 adapters supports broad tire and accessory inflation tasks. Safety protections, overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, and overheating mirror best practices in the segment. For everyday use, the power bank capability, 28,000 mAh, adds genuine utility for charging devices on long trips. The main trade-off is price sensitivity. At $79.99, it sits at the high end of the category, which will sway budget-conscious buyers.